Introducing XKit. world's first integrated and foldable ergonomic hub stand, your efficient and healthy companion for remote working. 5-in-1 USB-C hub integrates all the necessary ports for easier connections. 4 adjustable angles fix your posture, say goodbye to neck, arm, and shoulder fatigue. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy plus PC ABS base, lighter but harder. And the hollow triangle design offers great heat dissipation to prevent the laptop from overheating. Pretty impressive, huh? And I'm sorry about that interruption earlier. Did you manage to finish?
It's here.
Whoa, that was fast!
And here.
It supports 4K HDMI display with 3D. And thanks to its compact design, you can use it anywhere. Cafe, outdoor meetings, of course, back to the office. Basically, anywhere you go.
Introducing GigaDrive, the world's fastest external SSD. GigaDrive will never hold you back. Copy 2.8 gigabytes in just 1 second, or 20 full HD movies in less than 20 seconds. GigaDrive is compatible with Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, next-gen gaming consoles, iPhone, and Android. And while everyone is stuck on USB 3, GigaDrive welcomes the future with backwards compatible next-gen USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4. Through your existing USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, experience blazing fast read and write speeds of up to 2,800 megabytes per second. And play AAA games directly from external storage without it getting hot or crashing, thanks to its built-in DRAM and aerospace-grade aluminum heatsink case that keeps it cool to the touch, and offers stable and constant transfer speeds no matter how long you use it. You can even record hours of 4K footage directly to it. You might not be able to control your environment, but you shouldn't need to worry about your work. GigaDrive can withstand drops and shocks. It's dustproof and can easily survive being submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. GigaDrive. Order now on Indiegogo.
You know the importance of looking your best. From every angle, in every lighting condition. So whenever the day starts, you can start right away. Because your success was meant to be viewed in high resolution. Even in extreme lighting conditions. And no matter how the shot is framed, you always know how to take control. To command attention in every room you enter, even digital ones.
Hey everyone, hope you had a great weekend. We've come a long way with this project, and it's all
because when every angle is your best angle, the world will take notice.
Welcome to Yubico. Our company was founded in Sweden with the mission of making secure login easy and available for everyone. So we invented the YubiKey, a ubiquitous security key for accessing all computers, phones, networks, and online services with a simple touch. To make our dream happen, we've moved part of our team to Silicon Valley, and we work closely with the internet thought leaders to turn our technology into a global security standard.
Open standards and multiple protocols mean that every YubiKey can be used for hundreds of applications. You can secure your email, password managers, social logins, and at the same time, log into your workstation, all in the same YubiKey.
The YubiKey is trusted and used by 9 out of the top 10 internet companies. These companies have seen account takeovers drop to practically zero.
In order for security to scale, it has to be easy to use. Yubico has shown that with ingenuity and extraordinary focus on key problems, security can be easy. We began by making logins safer for everyone with the YubiKey, and have now created the YubiHSM. It's a tiny, powerful device to protect secrets on servers that's easy to use and accessible for everyone.
If you want to find out if your favorite app or service supports the YubiKey, check out our Works with YubiKey catalog on our site. And when you're ready, pick up a YubiKey from our online store. For developers who want to add YubiKey support into their app or service, we have tons of great resources available to help make the integration process simple.
We won't let the fraudsters limit the internet. Join the security revolution.